Okay, so we've got a customer's repair Midland 3001 for our on the air test. I covered this a couple of 2 or 3 years ago. We've got a video on the Midland 3001. This isn't the customer's mic, it's one of our new stock ones. And it's one where the audio IC had fails. I've done the capacitors and changed the audio IC and a few other bits. So let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you receive over?
Tango 21, receive me loud and clear.
Excellent, and what's your location over?
Pulling out the line down the lane, I'm heading towards the end of the line.
Okay, roger on that. Always did like the Midland 3001 Precision series and did wish they'd bring it back with new innards. I think it would sell.
Yeah, it sounds good as well, to be honest.
Yeah, I've put a standard mic to this. It's the customer's sent it with an electret mic, so I'll be testing that to our base station later.
Yeah, roger that. A little bit of a buzz just appeared on it then. I don't know whether that's power supply or not.
It's definitely power supply. We're using the 2.5 amp workshop laboratory supply.
Crossing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Just going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at the crossroads. Talking about power supplies, this has come as a cigarette lighter plug on the end of it. With it being a customer's set, I haven't snipped it off, you see, which is why it's got to be on that power supply over.
Right, well that buzzing's quite bad. It's almost like a square wave sound. It's not good at all.
Ah, roger on that. Okay, well we'll I'll change. I'll tell you what. I'll put it on. Yeah, I'll just monitor this. If you can pull over somewhere over.
Roger, I will do.
Okay, roger on that.
Yeah, Yodo's fine. It was like that to start with, and it progressively got worse.
Roger. It's probably the time we did the capacitors in the workshop power supply. Going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson, over. Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner.
Yep, is that giving the full 4 watts? It sounded like it.
It is, it's doing 4 watts exactly.
Yeah, it's that little bit of surface noise when it's 4 watts there. Chippie, just going over Wilson level crossing, over.
Roger, got you at Wilsford Level Crossing.
A bit of a race with some geese.
Yeah, well when I was at Rotherham I was near Worry Goose Lane.
Very good. Oh, it's passing the Kelby turn now.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Okay, Rosebery level crossing it is, and that concludes the test. Thank you. Right, I'll see you back at Tango Towers, and I will proceed to do a demonstration to our base station, and that will include the customer's microphone. So I'll listen to your comments on the way back when you come back off the camera over. Tango 21 testing the customer's Midland 3001 into our Harrier base station using our test standard microphone. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
21, testing the customer's electret microphone at setting 6. Tango 21, testing the customer's electret microphone at setting 8. Tango 21, testing the customer's electret microphone at setting 4. Tango 21, testing the customer's electret microphone at setting 2. And to finish off the test, we're between 4 and 6 at what you'd call 5. So this is the Midland 3001 with the customer's electric microphone set at 5. Thank you for watching.